Hello, everybody. How is everyone doing? Today is Monday, the 16th. I'm doing another unboxing, unbagging. You guys, it's for the Greta. So, this was on my wish list, and I think it came from retail because it didn't have, you know how Dooney have sometimes this is, 10 or 50 or whatever. It did not come like that. But this is Kenra, Satchel, Fuchsia, and Greta. This was actually one of my wish lists, just in case you want to write down the number. Just type in Kenra, Satchel. When I checked out, it said this was the last one, so I like really scurried fast to look at her, to purchase her. And this is part of my peak collection. So prior to now, I never, yes, I did have a pebble leather dome Dooney I had from a few years ago. And I apologize if my hands are a little dry. I wash them a lot. But let's go ahead and open her up because I think I want to move into her. I've been carrying my Michael Kors purse since I uploaded the video. So I'm just kind of ready to get out of her. And I'm going to stay in the Barrel family. Let's just compare them. So I think the camera is about the same size. Yep. Let's look at how they look at the back. Dooney may have just a little height here, and it may be a little thicker. But this purse feel like it's like a pound or two before I even, but it has all the wrappings. So anyway, let's go ahead and get in her. Yes, she was on my wish list, and when she popped up, Apple Pay, I just went ahead and checked out. It has a tassel on the zip. I like me a tassel. It just adds, you know, more detail to the bag, and I like a detailed bag. Now what Kenra don't have is any rings on the handle. So, I mean, we can't do all the embellishments as far as the ring, but I'm fine with that. And but I actually that is one of the features that I like, is that you can adjust the handle. So if you don't want to carry it as a it's like a crossbody or a shoulder, you can do a top handle. So yep. And of course I already know I'm going to adjust these. This bag is so pretty. I'm gonna tell you, I can actually get this in the navy. I would get it in the brown tomorrow. I do have a Greta in the navy with the barrel. Is that what it's called? A large barrel. I caught it at a really good price, and I couldn't resist. And I also was able to get like the wristlet and the wallet, the coin purse. I think it's a coin purse. I got that last year sometime. So this gives me more coverage. And I got it on the last hole here. So hopefully these will, over time, they will patina and fold down. So that's a downside. It does not fold down. And let's go ahead and get into her. She is big. I like the side pockets, just like the Garrison. Yeah, Garrison have. So a lot of features. I like features, and the material is the same too. It's like, what is this called? Like cotton coated leather or something like that. Coated. Oh, it has a lot of stuff in it. And here's the strap, and of course, per usual, I never bring my. I'm trying to keep this neat this time. Oh. It probably will help me if I just. Now, I don't know. Today is Monday, the 16th, February the 16th. I don't know when you're going to see this because I have another video, Victoria's Secrets video, that was recorded before this one. And I'm not carrying the Victoria's Secrets little small duffel. I got them because I feel like they were like collectibles. And I wanted to get them because they were so freaking cute in that heritage pattern. So it has the red inside, and it has the key finder, and it has a slip on this side and a slip and a zip on this side. True to Dooney's fashion, of course, it has the registration in here, and I'm going to just put this on in here. And it has the product code, the label, and it is a little tight. It probably, well, I can't talk about the structure of the bag and or the design of the bag, because if they made it go all the way down, then I wouldn't have my side pockets. And they came out with a recent barrel bag, and the reason why I think it's not as popular as Dooney would have thought it would be because the straps connect here and here, and when you're carrying it, it's going to be an inconvenience versus the side. I like side straps, I just do. If they notice that they're having a hard time getting rid of that particular product, because I think it's like one for the big one, for the 25 is like one. This is, I didn't bring any of my gold hardware with me, purse, charms, because this bag been here at the office for about a week or two. So I decided I would get some content in before I leave in 30 minutes, because this is one of my early days. But I'm just going to show you how you can still get away with, I think, let's see if we can still get away with decorating. Yep, you just need to get one of those, I don't know what they're called, escaped my mind. And let's see if this will go over there too. And I'll just change out everything tonight. I do have gold little clamps. This is all tied up tight. Okay. I'm just gonna put this maybe, I don't know. Okay, let's just set this to the side. I'm having some malfunctions with this. But I'm just going to change this out. I have other scarves, so since I've worn this, I probably won't put it on here. I'm going to stay with my pink theme. This is a little heart pink pouch my daughter gave me. I don't know where she got it from. My keys. And I have an insert, so I'm just going to pull the insert out of here. It's like I'm carrying the same bag, huh? I did have other bags, but this was what was on my wish list. And I gotta get it in before February is up. Uh, it fit right on in there comfortably. And all I have to do is just put this back in here. And it just have, you know, my essentials, Band-Aids, all that stuff. This is where my money's at, insurance card, everything. And I have these two, hand sanitizer, headphones, and everything else just kind of moved over. And then on the side pocket, I just have all my coupons, gift cards that I printed. And inside the pocket, I just had the Michael Kors paperwork that I'm going to keep in here, because as the collect, and of course I'm going to take, oh, what's this? Oh, that is my detox coffee that I was intending on taking to the house. So I'm just going to take these off and wrap this up and put it up, take it to the house and store it. Okay, now I'm in my Greta, just that fast. Didn't have to do too much. Okay, so now I can put this in to the side, and I'm just going to let you guys see. You can't really see from that distance, but it's just the insert. Everything is nice and neat and tidy in there, and I'm just going to put my coupons, gift cards, and everything in the side of the on one of the side pockets of the insert, and that way I won't be using any of the pockets at all, and I can keep all of the paperwork to the purse on the side. This purse is so cute. I've seen so many content creators, YouTubers, do a video on this purse, and I just was like, I wish they bring it back. Now, another one on my wish list is the barrel for the Florentine. And as long as it has side straps connection, I am fine with that. And I'm going to tell you right off the bat with this, I'm not going to want to carry this long. Nope. And I'm kind of happy that they have that they made a shorter strap. So I'm going to make this shorter. This bag is just too heavy to carry crossbody unless you're like traveling and this is your airport bag. I can't see just carrying this around. So I'm gonna make this short, and I will, yeah. I don't know. I don't like it short like this either. That's not enough room for me. And I have on a sweatshirt. So let's see what I can do about this. So let's put it on the last hook here. And put it on the last hook here. I know it's a Monday in the office, and sometimes I just dress however I feel. I have on some um, wide leg denim jeans and a pink hoodie because we're still in February. This is real long. Okay. So yes, I'm just going to carry it like this. I like this tassel. This bag is so cute. Look at this. And I probably won't do anything other than this. Now, I do have some more scarves. One moment. Oh, 1 moment. Okay. Let's see what I got. So, I have a little luggage tag. I probably can put on here. I have a scarf. Let's see what the luggage tag look like. Let me just put this in my purse. Okay. So, how can I put the luggage tag in my little sachets of coffee? Or can I don't know. I've been carrying a scarf, so let's see. Let's see. That's more red. So I have one. I know I'm not gonna use this. I will one day, but not today. Um I got these on Amazon, very inexpensive. I think it was like 5 or 6 or something like that for $5 or $6. So yeah, all of them is about the same color. This one, no. This one got a little plaid. No. Uh, Let's see. Okay. It's like 60 degrees here, and I got on this sweatshirt, and I'm a little hot. I'm a little hot. Okay. So, um, I don't know. I can leave it like this. She cute like this. We don't need no hooks, nothing. Um, I know it's silver hardware on this. I guess I can go in and I have a gold, maybe a gold hardware. This would be cute, but we're not gonna do too much. I could have put the luggage tag. That would have been cute. I might change it out later on this week and put the luggage tag through here and take the bow off. I don't know. Let's see what it looked like with the luggage tag. Okay. But the luggage tag has silver hardware. Let's see. Take it through the loop and I don't know. I can fumble with it a little bit. I don't know. Let's just put the bow. And it was this one. Let's just put the bow on here and leave it alone. And this is going to be my carry. And yes, you guys, I think I'm at purse piece, as they say. I ordered so many purses and built up such a nice collection. And my next purse is going to be pink. I'm going to open pink all the rest of February and just release the videos. And then I'm just going to enjoy my purses. And I probably won't buy anything unless it's like on my list or something really, really fabulous. I'm not doing any Coach drops. I did get something from the Rainbow or Crystal or whatever collection, whatever that color was. Um, so I will be doing that a little later. I'm a little hot. A little later. So I'm pretty much done with, again, unless it's like a unicorn purse, because this purse, I don't think they're making any more of them. And like I said, when I got it, it said it was only one in stock, so I grabbed it at a really, really great price. It was such a great price, and I was able to use a coupon on it as well. So I'm excited. I'm going to enjoy my purse. Thank you guys so much for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and I will see you in the next unboxing of feet. She is so cute. See you later. Bye.